Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to install Kodi on Firestick. Kodi is the best media player available for several platforms, but you are facing some issue with it and want to learn how to install Kodi on Firestick, then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I am going to show you how to install Kodi on Firestick with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, FireTV, Firestick Lite and FireTV Cube. Before we start the install steps, let's start with a brief introduction. As we know that Kodi is the best media player to stream movies, TV shows and live TV on Firestick TV and other devices. But if you don't like it anymore or want to give a try to any other alternative, then you surely have to remove it. Even though if you are updating it then properly, it requires to installation first. Installing Kodi is not a difficult task, but yet beginners who bought this device recently don't know about it. This is why I am making this video with complete introduction. And if you are new on this channel, subscribe it, and if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more videos on Firestick. So let's start install Kodi on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here you will get 4 options. So you have to click on settings. After entering into settings, move forward and then open application. It shows different options. So now click on the manage installed application. And here you can see the list of all installed application. Now scroll down and select Kodi from the list. From there scroll down and select clear data. Clear data, delete all Kodi temporary files. You will be asked again for it. Then select simply and clear data again. Now press remote back button and again open Kodi. After this, click on the install option. When you click on that option, a warning message pops there. Just ignore it and then select uninstall again. So the Kodi has been installed. Now go back home screen. That's all. Now the Kodi removed from your device successfully. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.